Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but I'm going to start uploading now. I don't know what it was doing. I was in 11th grade. School wasn't going that well, but now school is going great. I'm a senior. I got more time on my hands, so you're going to see a lot more uploads coming your way. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on the minks. Y'all already know it's real when you got to put on the minks. So I already did my makeup or whatever. Just gotta do my eyelashes. These are the lashes that I'll be putting on right here. These is the minks, the minkity minks, period. So I'm gonna be putting these on. I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on 2 different ways, with your hands and with some tweezers, because I know I typically do with my hands, but some people might not be able to do it with their hands. So I'm gonna show you both ways today. So let's get back into the video. Sorry, I came in here bogus with no lip gloss on. Let me put my lip gloss on because I don't know what I was thinking. But you already know. Gotta be popping. Period. So if y'all see me looking straight and not at the camera, it's a mirror behind y'all. And if y'all see me looking over here, it's another mirror. I don't know. I just like to look at myself. I don't know. Is that weird? I don't know. So today we're going to be using this glass glue. I got it for $3.99. Can y'all see that? $3.99 at the beauty supply store in Indiana. I don't think they got it here in Madison, but got this up in Indiana. Then I have 3 different types of tweezers that you can use. These ones is busted. Like, what is that? I'm not gonna use these ones because I've been to poke my eyelashes out. Alright, so you can use this kind, you know, the regular tweezers. Or you can use these skinny tweezers. It don't matter which one you use, because they all do the same thing, really. So take your eyelashes, open them bitches up. You heard what I said. Open them bitches up. Put these minks on. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this little thing. It got a mirror in it. Just like, you know, like a little mirror in it. So that's what I'm putting my eyelashes on with. Take them and I'm put them up in here. Before we get into this, you need to cut your lashes. So I'm gonna take it. Always take your tweezers, your eyelashes off with some tweezers, because you don't want to pull the hairs, and then take it off. I don't know if y'all can see it. Take it off by the band, not the hairs, okay? So once I get it off, I'm gonna take my scissors. This is the ending part, this is the beginning part. So at the end, I'm gonna cut off this it's this extra band piece. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a little extra band. Once I get y'all minks, y'all already know what I'm talking about. And I'm finna cut that off. Gone. Done. Period. It's gone. It's gone. Alright. Then I'm gonna cut the beginning off, because that will get in your eye. And that will hurt. I'm gonna turn to this way because I want y'all to see everything I'm doing. Now, take the mirror. Oh shit, I can't even do it like that. And I'm finna to measure my eye. Measure that be. See, that fit perfectly. It ain't going off. You know, the bitch your lashes be like all the way over here, and I'll be like, bitch, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to get y'all shit right and crispy cream donuts, okay? So, put that bitch on. Check and see if it's on there. Girl, look at that sheet. Look at that sheet. Already cute. Period. Take that bitch off. Take that bitch right up. Then I'm gonna get the other one. And I'm gonna take it off. But I'm gonna do that off camera because this video gonna be long as fuck if I do everything on camera. Okay, so I zoomed y'all in a little bit because I didn't want to be all the way back there, so y'all can kind of get closer to this face. I don't want to get too close because, bitch, a hoe ain't perfect, okay? Okay. The fuck, bitch. Alright, so I'm gonna take my lash glue. This shit is good. Put it on the plastic. Y'all already know. put it on that plastic part. If you got lashes, you already know what the deal is. Period. I'm gonna take my tweezers. I'm gonna show y'all the tweezer way first because I'm just gonna show y'all that way first. If you don't know, like, once you take your eyelashes off or you don't know how to put them on, which one is left and which one is right, you can always turn the lash thing towards you, and then you'll figure out, like, which eye goes on what eye, if you need to know, because this is a beginner video. So if you're a beginner and don't know how to do lashes, this is how you tell and make sure that your lashes are going on the right eye. So I know this one's going to go into my right eye and this one's going to go into my left eye. All right, so I'm going to do my right eye first because I'm right-handed. Some people do their left first because they right-handed, but I'm going to do my right eye first. So first I'm going to measure, make sure I did everything right again. Right, once I do that, then I'm gonna take my lash and I'm gonna take the end of my tweezer and I'm just gonna put the glue directly. I don't think y'all understand me. I'm gonna put the glue literally directly on the band. Band only. Don't get it on your lashes because the glue won't come off. If you put it directly on your band, you can peel your glue off later. And you wanna be able to peel your shit off because if you got them real minks, you can use your shit over and over again until them bitches start falling out. Okay? Till them bitches is cricket, okay? Cricket. No. Cricket. These bitches eyelashes be over here like, bitch, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Fix your shit, bitch. Or they should be like, bitch, no. What the fuck? I'm gonna take the excess glue and I'm just gonna wipe it on the back of my hand. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna turn this way so y'all can see what I'm doing. Doing just like this. I like to put my camera, my thing up, because if you have it up, then you can put it right down. If you do it like this, you're gonna like put it directly and it's gonna be all on your eyelashes. So it's easier if you put it upwards, then apply your shit like that. I put it in the middle first because the middle gets you right. You gotta have your middle in. Then you gotta pull your shit down and do the ending. Damn, my shit not even stick. Got that. Then you put the end on. Then you go to the inside. Then you go to the inside. So I'm gonna grab that bit. Put that bit right up. Take that shit. Pick that right up. Boop. 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 Close your eye. So you got that bitch on like this. Already on there, perfect. You already know. A bitch be slaying. You don't want to see all up there. You don't want it to be all under there. So once you get that bitch on, look up, close your eye, and push it like this. Ooh, this is how you make sure your shit on there. Push it in like that. You open your eye. You might have like a little stuff at the bottom. That's Gucci. Clean that shit. Don't leave that shit at the bottom, okay? I can't get my shit off. So I'm gonna take it off with the tweezers later. Alright. So, y'all can see this eyelash is on. Look, you can look under it. It's directly on the lash line, not on the hairs, the lash line, okay? And that bitch smack. Tell me these lashes don't fucking smack, period. The fuck? These is my lashes. I was selling lashes for a little bit, but a bitch stopped because everybody messing selling lashes. Okay, but a bitch might start. But I do still sell hair, fuck you, Tommy. Fucking alright. So now let's do this one with the hand. I'm new to this. This bitch, my friend was showing me this in school because we be ghetto as fucking school. Trying to put your fucking lashes on. Bitch, you gotta be popping for the ugly hoes at school. You already know how that go, you know. The fuck? So I'm doing the same thing. You don't gotta have no tweezers when you at school, because this is when y'all usually do it without tweezers when I'm at school. So you can just use anything, a motherfucking pencil, Shit, paper clip. Whatever gonna get on your lash, because you only want it on the lash band. You don't want it on your lashes. Because like I said again last time, you ain't gonna be able to get that shit off the hairs, okay? If you get it on the hairs, you ain't gonna be able to get it off. Alright. Shit. Alright. So, no, I'm gonna go back this way again because I want y'all to see this. Now, girl, this make my eye look cute. Sorry. Alright. So I'm gonna take this one. I hold this one by the edge because it's with your hand. You can't really like hold it in the middle because you're gonna be like, what the fuck is it? So hold that bitch on the edge like this. Like I said, this one, it's gonna be hard to show y'all because bitch, I'm gonna use this hand maybe. Hell no. Bitch, hell no. Hell no. I gotta use this one. Can y'all see me doing this? Alright, I'm gonna try to do it like that. I'm gonna try to do it like that for y'all because I want y'all to see this. Alright. So, like I said, put your shit up there. But I can't do that because I'm trying to show y'all. So I'm gonna have to hold mine down. But then I'm gonna look down because I'm trying to get that shit crispy. Nah. Fuck that. Okay, let's try this again. The fuck? Alright, got that hole on. Now take the back. Take the middle. Okay, I put it on. It's in the middle. Okay. Grab the back. Be careful because you don't want to take the middle off. This way you might get a little glue on your eye, but it's easy to clean that shit off. Alright, then you pull it down. Pull that bit down. Like this, see that bit. Alright, the middle and the end is done. Now, we gotta do the front. Take the front and push it down. This is the major part because you need to make sure your front is glued. The fuck? Look under. If you need to, get another thing. To do this, you need to look under yours. To make sure your shit is on. Oh, hey, bitch, we back home. Links. Period. Bitch, we're in this hoe. Period. In that bitch. Ooh. Like I said, this one is like a quick on the go lick, key already ate. So this is school. Get that bit on there. Y'all see that? This one is at school with your hands. And this is one at home with the tweezers. Whichever way, your shit's still popping, okay? This one, like I said, I got a little glue right there. Okay, the fuck? Clean that shit off. Get that shit right up. Oh, shit. I just pinched my motherfucking eyelid. Fuck it, the glue stand. Okay? I just pinched my whole motherfucking eyelid. Goddamn. Now, bitch, you grab that shit. Hurt it like Alright, but there y'all go. My lashes is on and attached. Look at that fucking eye. My shit in the water. Anyways. Minx Blinks hoe. How to. See y'all later. I just showed y'all how to do y'all motherfucking eyelashes in 5 minutes with tweezers or with your hands. Stay tuned for another video because I'm back with more. And I ain't stopping. Ain't nobody holding me up. Just let y'all know. Don't nobody stop your grind. I work. I go to school. And I'm finna start doing videos. Who can stop me from making money? Nobody.